Good morning, boys and girls, teachers, and staff, and welcome to Monday, December 16th of 2019. It is the last week before we go on winter break. I hope all of you have a wonderful break with your family and friends. So I know that we'll miss you lots and be looking forward to having you come back in the new year when it is 2020, believe it or not. So here are our morning announcements for today. We do have a PTCO meeting that is happening today at 4:30. For birthdays to announce, I only have one birthday that happened over the weekend. That would be Isabella Carroll, so happy birthday to you. That was on December 14th. We do have a number of birthdays happening this week, and I will be counting the birthdays and along with other birthdays that might be happening for the rest of December. So starting that out, I will do the birthdays that will be happening over break, starting with our December 21st birthday, Anthony George. Happy birthday to you, Anthony. I hope you have a great day on your birthday on the 21st. For our pause expectations, we do have kindergarten students, and before I do those, I want to announce the lunch choices. The lunch choices for today would be chicken tenders, mini corn dog, or sun butter and jelly. And today, pause expectations by our kindergarten students. Alright, boys and girls, we have students here from kindergarten from Mrs. Hirsch and Mrs. Green's class to review our pause expectations.
Be quiet in the cafeteria. Keep your hands to yourself. Nobody in the hallway or your teacher will inspect you. No things. Be nice.
Okay, thank you guys. Those are good suggestions. Thank you, kindergarten students. I appreciate that. And at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. Please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance. All right, boys and girls, it is time for our Pledge of Allegiance, so please make sure you're standing with your hand over your heart. I pledge
Allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Thank you guys very much, and everyone have a great Monday. Hope you have a wonderful day to the start of the week. So I'll be looking forward to seeing all of you very soon. Have a great day.